Hello, everyone. This is a podcast, so if you missed the lesson on September 3rd or 4th, either Thursday or Friday of this week. All right. So what you guys really are going to be doing is getting practice on using either Google Forms or Delta Math and doing this assignment. I'm going to just go through some of these formulas. I think it's been a while, just in case you forgot them. I'm not writing any formulas for perimeter on here. You should know perimeter. You just add up the sides. Some of these I don't think I need to review. Area of a square, take the side and you square it. Rectangle, length times width. Area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height. But a couple of these you may have forgotten. Area of a parallelogram. So it's like a rectangle that you've pushed to the side and made it slanted. That's just area that is the base times the height. And remember, the height is this length here. Or if I drew it over here, it's this length here. That's the height. Okay. Trapezoid, it's probably the hardest formula to use. This base and this base are different lengths. Doesn't matter which one I call B sub 1, that's a subscript. B sub 2, I could interchange these, it really doesn't matter because you're just adding them together. You add the bases together and then fill that in, and you have 1/2 the height times the sum of those two. And remember, the height is going to be this length right here. Circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. Area of a circle, pi r squared. Right? You can refer to this, you can bring this podcast up and refer to those formulas if you don't have them on hand, or you can look them up on the internet. Okay. To use Google Forms, something that's going to make it easy to type the math equations in is called Equatio. It's just an add-on for Google Form, sorry, for your Google. What you need to do is just type that in your URL, Equatio, just like it's written, Equatio. And you should see something to pick that's this, to click on it. And that will add an extension onto Google Chrome. All right. Now what I need you to do, once you've done that, is go back to Google Classroom. So Google Classroom. Oh, right there. There we go. And what I need you to do is under the current live instruction links, click on Practice Using Google Forms. So I've got it open. And what you should see then is this little blue box. Click on it. Let me use, there we go, it is there. Okay. And what it does is it does handwriting recognition. So either with your mouse, or if you have a touch screen, you can just type in 2/4, and it should recognize it. And then you insert your answer. And I'm not going to do all these with you, just so you can see what we're doing. Second one. So I'm going to back up and clear that out. And I'm going to just write that equation. X squared plus 2x, and you can see it's filling in on the right side, plus 6. I need to be careful with my 6's. It often thinks it's a b. Okay, there you go. And then you would insert the math. Okay? And the rest of these, you can do the same thing. You're just writing it as you see it. Okay? But we're going to be using Equatio. All right, coming back. Oh, when you're done with this, you would submit. Okay? On to the next. So you have assignments for this week. You have a Google form on area and perimeter found in Google Classroom. So going back, Google Classroom. Under assignments, there's the form. And again, you open this up, you click on that, and you fill it out, and you submit it. Okay. Here, go to Delta Math, sign in with this code, create an account for you, and it's an assignment on doing area and circumference of a circle. Right? So that should be all I need to tell you guys. If you have any questions, please come to the office hours. I keep forgetting what they're calling them this year. As soon as I stop the recording, I'll remember. I apologize. Have yourself a great one.